One of the newest and best Shaw underlayments for laminate and hardwood is the Shaw Selitac folding underlayment. Underlayment is traditionally sold in rolls, but Selitac is actually a fan fold construction, providing superior noise and moisture resistance. Don't forget Selitac also makes a tape to seal the edges when putting together. Hope you enjoy this short animation showing how easy installation is. As always, I hope this animated breakdown of Selitac underlayment helped you better understand how easy the installation process is. And remember, for the best deals in all of the flooring industry, visit lemonflooring.com or give us a call at 817-210-6838.